MegaETH drops a revolutionary auction bombshell. DraftKings pours $250 million into crypto prediction markets, and one of the most hyped tokens of the month crashes 59% on launch. This isn't just another day in crypto. This is the great sorting. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, Alex here with your Crypto Pulse Flash update for October 23rd, 2025. We're tracking a massive divergence in the market today, a clear line being drawn between institutional-grade adoption, genuine innovation, and pure speculative hype. First, the vitals. Bitcoin is consolidating, holding strong at $108,000 with dominance steady at nearly 60%. But the real story is the sentiment. The fear and greed index has slipped into fear at 40. This caution is happening just as gold suffers a historic 5% crash, potentially opening the door for a massive capital rotation into digital assets. Now for our top story, prediction markets are no longer a niche crypto game. They're going mainstream, and they're doing it with regulatory approval. Sports betting giant DraftKings has just acquired the CFTC-regulated exchange Railbird for up to $250 million. And who are they partnering with as their official clearinghouse? Polymarket. This is a watershed moment, bridging traditional sports betting with crypto infrastructure under a federal compliance framework. As if that wasn't enough, the NHL just became the first major U.S. sports league to sign official, multi-year deals with both Kalshi and Polymarket. This is institutional validation on a scale we haven't seen before in this sector. But this institutional embrace is creating a paradox. While the big players are buying in, the Limitless token, LMTS, crashed a brutal 59% within hours of its TGE. This is a classic reality check on airdrop selling pressure and proof that a hot narrative can't save a flawed launch strategy. This brings us to our second major theme, innovation versus marketing. Ethereum L2 project MegaETH is making waves with what it calls a revolutionary token auction starting October 27th. They're running a groundbreaking English auction with a price range from a $1 million to a $999 million fully diluted valuation, allowing the market to set the price. The key here is their community-first allocation, designed to prioritize active users over VCs and airdrop farmers. It's a bold challenge to the traditional launch model, and the market is watching very closely. So while DraftKings validates existing infrastructure, MegaETH is trying to reinvent the launch process itself. And amidst this push and pull, we're seeing quality assets carve out their own path. While fear is creeping in, ChainOpera AI has exploded over 73%, leading a selective AI sector breakout. And on the TON ecosystem, EVAA Protocol is up over 58%. This proves that even in a choppy market, utility and strong fundamentals are being rewarded. Fear doesn't affect all assets equally, and these breakouts are where the real alpha is hiding. So what's the takeaway? We are witnessing a critical sorting phase. The market is separating real-world utility, like the DraftKings deal, and genuine innovation, like MegaETH's community auction, from the speculative froth that leads to crashes like LMTS. The question for you is, where are you positioning yourself? Are you riding the institutional wave as prediction markets go mainstream? Are you preparing for MegaETH's innovative launch, betting on community-first models? Or are you learning from the brutal lessons of LMTS and focusing on quality assets like COAI that are thriving in the chaos? Let me know your strategy in the comments below. That's your pulse for today. If you got value from this update, smash that like button and subscribe to stay ahead of the crowd. I'm Alex for Moonward Capital, and I'll see you in 12 hours.